So, guys, you had to believe owners. You need to help them. Join the Discord, and now if you see some toxic players, just report them to the Discord and send just take a photo of them and guess what? And send them to the owner so they can ban them. So I want you to believe owners they heart, also yours. So you need to help some owners because they believe they self. Everything believes owners. Now guess what? So tis the owner of the game is fixing the monster in the maps. So you need to believe them. Yes, believe them now.